We have a question talking about where the manual trailing stop, how it's calculated. It is calculated on the high or the low of the price bars. That's where it would be calculated. So for example, if a person had entered a trade, say right in here, right at that spot, then is what would happen is they're going to have a stop loss at some point. Let's just say the stop loss was at the top of that previous bar. So in this example, the stop loss would be out about 16 pips. We're on a 1 hour chart. Now, the way that it works is when the price goes down, you can see it goes down here, a new bar opens. Then you can actually do a couple of things. You can just leave that there until the actual bar when it moved would be profitable, or you can move it to the top of the previous bar. This then cuts the amount of exposure you have down. So your stop now is back there, but now let's see the price moves on down and it goes to this next bar. The price, instead of being up here, it moves on down and you've moved the price. Generally you can do it, this is a management decision. It can be 1 pip plus the spread. You can set it right on, but generally in that area is where you would manually set the bar. So now it's this one closes, and now you're locked in this amount of profit right here. As this bar forms right here, this price then moves down to the top of the price bar of the previous bar, and then this bar goes up and closes, and this bar opens. When it opens, it goes, it possibly went up first, and that would have, this one of course would have been moved down just a couple of pips more, and it would have been taken out. So that's where your stop would have been taken out on that trade, using the manual trailing stop method. Not a big trade, 20-30 pips, but it is a decent trade, and you weren't fretting over it. You were letting the market tell you what it was going to do. Now, where would the exit signals be normally? In this general area right here. So from that manual trailing stop, your exit signals would have been within 10 pips of that same spot. That's how that works.